Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start our chapter 10th of political science, and our chapter name is development. In this chapter, we are going to discuss these important topics: meaning of term development, social and environmental cost of development, sustainable development, existing model of development, criticism of existing development model. So, first of all, meaning of term development. What is the meaning of term development? Development is a process which aims at transformation of society for progress and improvement. It is a multidimensional concept which include social, economic, and political development, along with nation building and modernization. Development is an aspiration for better life and the continuous process, ever changing or ever evolving. Use of scientific knowledge and modern technology is the precondition of development. At the same time, benefits of development should be accessible to all. The concept of development gained momentum during the 1950s and 1960s, when a large number of Afro-Asian countries achieved political independence. The immediate issues before them, they were poverty, unemployment, literacy, disease, hunger, etc. To solve these issues with the help of available of resources, they adopted some development model. Now our second topic is social and environmental cost of development. Now, social and environmental cost of development. What was the social and environmental cost of development at that time? First of all, we will discuss social cost of development. Large scale development result in the sources of livelihood and increase means improvement. A large number of people are forced to leave their homes, jobs, and society due to the urbanization. It result in a loss of culture and tradition, skill, flora, and fauna. So, environmental cost of development at that time, the environmental cost of development, deforestation led to the soil erosion and landslide, displacement, migration, loss of wildlife, and means well valuable hubs. Due to the large scale industrialization, uh, pollution level has increased. Today, the air and water quality is heavily affected due to the pollution. And global warming is caused by the depletion in the ozone layer. Now, natural disaster like flood, drought, earthquake, tsunami, etc., are due to the environmental degradation. So, it was the environmental cost of development. Now, sustainable development. Our next topic. What is a sustainable development? Sustainable development means the concept of sustainable development is associated with the environmental and beneficial for the present or for future generation. It is against the mindless and the ruthless exploitation of the natural resources. A sustainable development model does not interfere the existing environment and do not harm the ecosystem, but means coexist harmoniously, and it advocate means closeness of the human beings with the nature. The goal of sustainable development can be achieved though a judicious use of resources and green and cleaner technology, alternative sources of energy. So it was the sustainable development model. Now, existing model of development. So at that time in the world, there are two model are existed. First is liberal model, liberal democratic model. This model of development was adopted by the capitalist country like USA and Western countries. This model was also adopted by the newly liberated or third world countries or free market economy. In this model, they have the free market economy, fair wage system, and institutions of private property, etc. So it was adopted by the USA or many other countries. It is against means a large scale of means industrialization of factories, bank, transportation, communication system. It support privatization and welfare of state. Now, second model is socialist model. This model of development was adopted by the Soviet Union, China, and East European countries. Or it lays emphasis on state ownership, or means production, distribution, and exchange. It support a centralized planning and oppose the institution of private property. So it was adopted by the means you can say Soviet Union or Russia or many other countries at that time. Now in India we have adopted the mixed economic model. This model of development was developed and adopted by the India and many other developing country. It is a fine mixture of capitalist and socialist model of development. In this model, both public and the private sectors operate. Uh, they both have operate the economic and all the fields. It gives more emphasis on agriculture and industrial sector, economic planning and social and economic welfare through legislation and upliftment of all cost of society. So it was the uh, mixed economic model. Now, criticism of existing development model. What was the criticism of existing development model? Some critics of development have pointed out the limitation of existing model of development. These model have proved very costly for the developing of countries. The financial cost have been numerous, and there is a heavy debts on borrowing over over these countries. Therefore, there is no correlation between the cost and benefits of these development models. So it was the criticism of development model. Hope it is clear to all. Thank you so much.